Ivana. My mom is recording me, and we're gonna finish this because these parts and these take forever, so we didn't want to shoot it.
And we did it with no what?
No extraction, so
we figured it all out by ourselves.
Yep.
All right.
And Mama.
So let's put the drawers in. Remember, the skinny ones go on this side, and the bigger one, yep, and the, wrong way. Which way's the knob go?
Silly me.
All the way on the bottom.
And right, and right.
Come around some more to the front so you can see it better.
There we go.
Here, let's turn it this way so you can, let's turn it straight like that. There you go.
So I did this one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this one is not.
Oh, we'll screw it in. Just go to the next. We'll fix it. Go to the next. I forgot that one. Put it up top. Put it up top so it's out the way. Look, pick it up. Put it up top here so it's out the way.
Okay, we forgot to do this one. So yeah. And
Look, get them.
there's more of these. This one is super heavy. So
Push it straight, Alana. You're not holding it straight. That's why you're holding it at an angle. There you go. There you go.
you should send that to everybody in the family.
Okay, Laura, go get the other one. Come on, you're getting distracted. I don't know if we tightened all of them. Stop dragging them across the floor, because then you pick up whatever dust is on the ground.
Oh, sorry.
We gotta wipe them all off. Okay, one more for that side.
Okay, we're done with
Look.
this.
So get that one right there. Look, look, look.
Okay, now we're doing the big giant.
Stop dragging it across the bottom.
Oops, I keep forgetting.
Look, it's too high. Look, it has to go all the way through. Right? Is it? I can't see. It's in the right spot?
Yeah.
Okay. Slide it in. There you go. And that one, you gotta screw it on there.
Yeah, we forgot. That was an accident. So see, guys, it goes right here. You always want to put your finger right here so it won't get crooked, right, Mama?
Yeah, so you hold it in place so it can actually screw in. Otherwise, it won't even screw in. Let's see. Let me hold it. Hold the knob for me. All right, and then I'm gonna screw it. All right, I'm gonna screw. Yeah, hold it. Hold on, we gotta hold it good so it doesn't move. There. Okay.
Okay. So we're doing the next one. Girls and boys that's watching this. I don't think boys are watching this.
I don't know.
I think this is just girls. This time.
Okay.
Look it. And wait, we already did this one.
Here, push this out the way so they can see the other one. All right, that one is the Essex cart that you can get at Michael's. Just came out, it's on sale. And this is the other rolling cart that's twice the size as the $30 one that Michael's has, Target, Walmart. They all have the same $30 one.
And guys,
This is twice the size, the Hudson cart.
yeah, and you could use this for paint.
Yeah, see, arts and crafts, all sorts of stuff. So now I'm trading in. I have a smaller cart like this. It stops about there. And it's turquoise, which doesn't match with my theme, which is black, white,
Mom,
purple, and for the middle's gray.
and yes, my hair is crazy today.
But it's beautiful.
My hair was this good, like, oh. But
Yeah, let's try around to see how long it is. Look, it goes all the way down there. Yeah, those pretty curls. So soft.
You should get hair like me.
So
And you should take a picture of me.
let's put the two carts together. Bring that one over.
Remember when you put my hair down?
Uh-huh.
It was blonde.
It wasn't blonde. Your hair was never blonde. It was always the same color. It was black when you were first born. It was never blonde, Delana.
No, you remember
It was straight. Okay, but don't do that. You're going to make it all frizzy and crazy. All right. There goes my two carts.
Yeah.
So this, I have the same thing, half the size, and turquoise, which doesn't match, so it doesn't make any sense for me to have it. And then this one, I'm replacing with my tall, narrow locking cart for my microblading stuff because it has some countertop, which I don't really have on that cart. It's only like this much of it is flat for counter, and then I have to always take two of the drawers, put one on each side, one with has tools in it, and then another one the other side that I'll put tissues and aesthetic wipes and stuff like that I'm gonna just throw away when I'm done. And then I just have this little space to pretty much work with while I'm working. That's only about this size. Only thing is, I mean, these drawers are a little flimsy. You know, they don't lock like my court, but it is more aesthetically pleasing. And like I said, I have countertop. People can actually put their bag on it. I can put retail products there.
And these
More room
ones,
for my eyelash stuff.
this one's
It's really deep. Yeah, those are real deeper.
you could put so much storage.
And then this
in
goes
here.
up there. Here, let's see. This actually, we gotta put this up. So I could use that for counter. Bring it over here because we gotta put this on there. Bring it closer.
Yeah.
So I can put that on there.
Not all of them fit. We just want to show you this
Yeah,
one.
bring it. Okay. This needs to go, I think this part goes under there with it. Let's see. Let's see what makes sense here. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
Is there another? Hold on. We gotta pause this real